Good morning and welcome in the sunny Les Sables d'Olonne to discover together the new Sun Odyssey 410. As you can see, this boat is just beautiful and bombastic. This is a Mark Lombard hull design, and Mark worked a lot to push us beyond the limits of weight distribution, weight allowance for this boat, and of course in terms of architectural design for the hull. What you can see at the first sight is the negative bow of the Sun Odyssey 410 and the fact that the forepeak of the hull is outside of the water for a limited wet surface. I come back quickly on the negative bow for the Sun Odyssey 410. It gives to this boat a better weight balance because we are reducing the weight forward, and it gives also to the Sun Odyssey 410 a much better and fine water entry for better performance. In terms of the outside design and the hull shape of the yacht, as you can see, she has two rudders for a much better control of her in every single sea conditions, and a very sleek, nice design with a full shine, like on the rest of the Sun Odyssey range, and a chamfer that disappears towards the stern of the yacht. Now, I would like to welcome you on board to show you the cockpit layout and the walk-around deck we have on the Sun Odyssey 410. Come with me. Welcome on board the new Sun Odyssey 410. I will show you that this boat and this particular cockpit and deck plan offers a lot of ergonomical and comfort features. The first of them is the bathing platform. Of course, every yacht today needs to have bathing platform, but as you can see, the bathing platform is just at a good level up to the water, so I can sit here. My feet are not in the water, but I have here a very good ladder to access. This ladder is particularly stable and angled, so when I get back on board, I can take here the handle and get on board the yacht. So this is a good feature to get a fresh bath in the morning or in the afternoon. Continuing with the aft compartment, you can see we have a good storage for a life raft, and here another storage for gas bottles, so you can have two or only one, and another storage for fenders and access to the steering system and autopilot. I will continue and show you all the economical and unique features of the deck plan and cockpit layout of the Sun Odyssey 410, but for that you have to come with me. So the first remarkable fact on the deck layout of the Sun Odyssey 410 is these inclined side decks. Every journalist has been talking about them over last year because they are implemented on the 440 and the 490 Sun Odyssey. But what they bring into the yacht is more safety, because I can here have a proper grab on my handrail to go inside the cockpit, and a good access also toward the stern of the yacht. And this is particularly convenient when you are mooring back and forward in Mediterranean. Of course, inclined side decks offers a very easy access in the cockpit and in navigation, and this is just fantastic feature. I can sail outboard and have a very good sight on my sails, which is most of the time impossible on any other traditional yacht. In navigation, what will completely change your experience are the self-aligning rudder bearings. We are using Jeffa rudder bearings, and they are self-aligning. Why? Because rudders with the water pressure are modifying their angle, and with self-aligning bearings, the angle will always remain the same, meaning the rudder will always be soft and gives you the best experience. So the primary winches with a German chinning for the main sail are very easily accessible and outboard, so I can grind from here and set my sails and trim them very easily while I am steering my Sun Odyssey 410. At the helm of the Sun Odyssey 410 you have possibility to have different kind of electronics, but we are working with Raymarine and the Axiom series, and you can have either one or two Axiom displays which will give you information about your navigation, maps, etc., etc. You also have access from this on starboard side to the windlass control, bow thruster control, and here you can see it, the gas throttle for the engine. I can see cleverly the RPM of the engine here on the cockpit table. So all is made into ergonomical point of view. It makes sailing, it makes motoring, it makes all the comfort feature of the navigation part of the yacht easy to do. So the cockpit of the Sun Odyssey 410 offers very comfortable seating. As you can see, the backrest is not too high, not too low. I have a proper rest, and also I can lay like that with backrest on the forward part of the cockpit. We have here a large table which offers different options. So we can have proper polyester leaves, or you can have here the optional teak. You can open completely. So it's a full size cockpit table, and inside this compartment you can have an extra fridge, transportable fridge, and here a bottle storage. Storage in a cockpit is always a matter. So we have here a large locker. It's a dry locker, so you can store stuff that you don't want to get wet. And on the other side you have a drained locker where you can have wet stuff, fenders, etc., and it will be drained towards the cockpit. So the mast setting is standard sail with a semi-batten. You can have in-mast furling sail, and you can have a performance mast which is taller and offers 10% more sail surface area. Important feature, access to the sail, because we are going to put it up and down quite often. So we have a good access because we've lowered the boom as much as we could. And then you can see I can unzip my sail completely from the coach roof. So as you can see, we have a particularly interesting feature here on the bowsprit, is that the anchor is going through the forestay fitting. So the anchor is always in the center of the yacht. It's not on one side or the other. So at the mooring, the strength and the force of the anchor will always be centralized towards the boat. This is a nice and quite long bowsprit, which can receive the fitting for the Code Zero or asymmetrical spinnaker. And just before the chain locker, you have here the fitting for the running stay. Welcome on board the new Sun Odyssey 410. This boat has been designed inside by Jean-Marc Piaton, like the rest of the range, the 490 and the 440. As you can see, inside, a major attention has been put on volume and light. We kept the DNA of Jeannot for the general philosophy of the new Sun Odyssey 410, with a nice chart table, the galley in the center of the yacht, and then a large dining area. But bear in mind, there is a trick in this layout, which is this lovely meridian. As you know, at Jeannot we pay a large attention for the chart table, and when we talk chart table, we talk real chart table, meaning I can sit, and in navigation I can heel, it can heel, I will be sitting here comfortably. Also, this chart table is where you can find the VHF, hi-fi for good music on board only, electrical panel, where you can of course start and set up many appliances. And then here the Navicolor display, where I can manage and control the level of water, the fuel, energy on board. I have many places when I can have stuff or loose parts being stored here. So on the Sun Odyssey 410, the galley is in the center of the yacht. This is very convenient while you are coming from outside. You are close to the galley. And when you are brewing a tea or a cup of coffee, you can do that safely and also properly installed and bring it outside. The galley also offers lots of many small features that make your life easier on board. Of course, you need a sink, and this is double sink, as you can see, with a very clever way to store the top, which will protect from water to go on the chart table. And here I have two sinks and an optional water pump, seawater pump, that I can activate from here. On board the new Sun Odyssey 410, you have a large fridge compartment that you can open from the top to access food. You have also here a freezer compartment where you can make ice cubes. This is very convenient for gin and tonic. And also you have access to this fridge compartment from a front door, and it's convenient to get stuff on the bottom and also to clean your fridge. In the galley of the Sun Odyssey 410, you have a 2-burner stove with oven and also prepared for navigation. And Important in a galley, you have here fresh air coming out from the roof of the yacht. Of course, in a galley, we always need room to store all our stuff, so for cooking, for heating. So here you have large storage available in this compartment. Here you have a good storage for cutlery. Of course, here you can have your pepper and salt or spices. Here we have another large storage. You have the possibility to have here an optional microwave, and this unit offers fantastic storage possibilities. And in this central furniture, we have a good storage for, again, mugs, plates, cutlery, and you have access to this furniture from the other side as well. As you can see, the galley of the Sun-Odyssey 410 offers everything you need in terms of cooking, cleaning, cold capacity, and of course storage. With this large unit, you have storage for everything you have on board: cutlery, fan, plate, mugs, etc., etc. Now we talk about the saloon and dining area. As you can see, we have created here a chaise longue on this side of the yacht, and this chaise longue offers also many versatile features. The first of them is, of course, while in navigation, I can be resting here. I'm very close and I have an easy access towards the helm. Also, when I am in the marina, I can rest, read my book, of course, and I have the bar very accessible for me. And last but not least, I can also make it an extra berth by just only sliding this. And you can see here, I have an extra berth in the saloon of my yacht. This amazing chaise longue goes together with the general concept of the saloon. As you can see here, I have a nice and comfortable salon area. And when we are mainly two sailing together, then we have a very nice, tidy saloon table. But when we are welcoming on board more people, we can easily extend this saloon to a full-size saloon. I just do that. I simply open the table, slide here the chaise longue, and then I have easily a 6-seater saloon table. The interior of the Sun-Odyssey 410, designed by Jean-Marc Piaton, also takes the general features of the new Sun-Odyssey range, with standing sight outside, so I can see outside what's happening in the marina, on the sea. But also when I'm sitting, I still have a very nice view outside. When I am on a mooring, I can see and enjoy the view outside. It brings inside the Sun-Odyssey 410 major and massive lights, as you can see. It's 9 o'clock in the morning, but the boat is very lighty. An important feature, and we are always paying a large attention to that, is ventilation. You have large openings everywhere on board the yacht, which makes fresh air coming in. That's very important. Also, in terms of general features, and this is the job together and the work together with Jean-Marc Piaton, it's to bring inside our yachts a very cozy and warm atmosphere. So the grey cedar plays, of course, a major role in this warm atmosphere feeling, but also the fabric, the upholstery, the canvas, everything has been worked out to bring more warm atmosphere on board the Sun-Odyssey 410. I was about to conclude about the saloon, but I forgot something very important for a French guy like me, which is wine storage. Oh, we can have here 9 bottles plus 3 on the side, so you can have altogether 12 bottles stored in this compartment. The compartment is inclined by 45 degrees, so it won't fall away, but it makes access a lot easier. So the master cabin of the Sun-Odyssey 410 is a proper master cabin. And for once, on a 40-footer, you can have a proper rectangular berth, 1.50 m by 2 m long, with access from each side and possibility to make a complete blackout with our proper blinds on the side and on the coach roof. And on port side, a proper hanging locker for Madame with an optional lavabo, and starboard side, the hanging locker for Mr. As option, you can have, and this is unique on 40 foot, a separated bathroom head compartment on port side. The bed, in this case, is shifted on starboard side, still remaining a rectangular berth of 1.50 m by 2 m, but on port side, you have then a proper head compartment with the possibility to separate the shower from the toilet. On the aft part of the Sonodyssey 410, you have the possibility to have, as standard, just only one cabin or an optional two cabin layout. Two cabins are exactly the same dimension, with also an almost 1.50 m by 2 m rectangular berth, proper hanging locker, and possibility to, of course, make complete blackout like on the master cabin. So what is best than an head compartment with so much light inside in the morning and the possibility, as you can see, to separate the toilet compartment from the shower sink compartment. So this was the first presentation of the brand new Sonodyssey 410. As you can see, this boat is particularly innovative with its hull design, inverted bow, forepeak outside of the water, twin rudders, so it's going to be bombastic on the water. This is a boat which is also bombastic with the cockpit layout, with the fantastic inclined side decks, which will make life on board easier and safer. And what we have seen inside is this boat offers a warm, light, comfy atmosphere with this central meridian, chaise longue, fantastic layouts with many options, and particularly this master cabin, which offers the possibility to have a completely private head compartment in the forepeak of the boat. I thank you very much, and I hope to see you on the September and October boat show throughout the world. Thank you very much.